In this video I'll show you how you can install Menyoo mod Menyoo in GTA 5. So we're gonna have to download a couple of files. I will leave the links in the description. The first one is the Menyoo 2.0 mod itself. We're gonna click on the green button. After that we're gonna have to download Script Hook 5 and we're gonna press this download button right here. After you've downloaded both Menyoo and Script Hook 5, we're going to right click on each one of them and we're going to extract them. After you've extracted both of them, we're going to open the GTA 5 installation folder. So basically the place where we install GTA 5. Now if you install GTA 5 on the Rockstar Games Launcher, you're gonna go to the settings, click on GTA 5, click on view installation folder. It will be similar on Steam. Once we open the installation folder, all we have to do is go to Script Hook, we're going to click on bin and we're going to copy all the DLL files. Then we're going to drag them into the GTA 5 installation folder. Then we're going to the Menyoo folder and we're going to copy menyoo.asi and Menyoo stuff, drag them into the folder. And that's all you have to do. The mod is now officially installed.